Well, a day after the High Court dismissed the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's plea challenging the governor's sanction to prosecute him in the Muda case, the Siddaramaiah government is now mulling legal options. Sources have told Times Now that appealing against the decision of the single bench order before the double bench is one of the options that's being considered. It's learnt that the writ appeal is being prepared and it is likely to be ready by this morning. So, sources saying that it will be a decision on whether the higher bench of the court should be approached or the Supreme Court. And once that decision is made, the writ appeal will accordingly be filed.
ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೋರಾಟದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆರೋಪಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಆರೋಪಗಳಿಗೆ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಎದುರಲ್ಲ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎದುರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ ಬಹಳ ದಿನ ಕಾಯ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದರಿಂದ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸನ್ನಿವೇಶ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕೇನ್ರಿ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು ಕೊಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ
It still remains illegal. The order of the governor granting sanction under 218, which has now been read down to being only 17A, as well as the prior approval, still remains illegal, will remain illegal till the highest court of the land passes its verdict. It is only then that it becomes the law. Till then, this is illegal. Recourse to judicial review is being explored. What is the nature of review? We will decide in due course of time and we will take a decision.
Now, the High Court verdict means the prosecution proceedings against the Chief Minister in the alleged scam case will continue. The High Court said that the governors are competent authority in such decisions and the facts in the case should be investigated. The court also said that the order was not in haste and it was not a case of lack of application of mind by the governor. Remember, Siddaramaiah had moved the High Court challenging the governor's approval for sanction, and the Chief Minister's counsels had argued in court that the governor went against the cabinet's advice. They argued that the governor cannot act as per his discretion and said that the governor showed unusual urgency in granting sanction against the Chief Minister, saying he nearly took 3 years to reject a similar sanction sought against the former BJP Minister Shashikala Jolle. They further told the court that the allotment of 14 housing sites as compensation was done during the tenure of the BJP and not when Siddaramaiah was in power. But appearing for the Karnataka governor, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta told the court that the governor had to act as per his own discretion and not as per the aid and advice of the cabinet because the Chief Minister himself was facing the allegations. Now, the political face-off has intensified after the High Court verdict. While the BJP says the Chief Minister should resign on moral grounds, the Congress party accused the BJP of hatching a political conspiracy against the Chief Minister.
He is bound to resign. There is no other choice. Being a responsible Chief Minister, he has to abide by the law. Now, since the High Court has given the judgment, he has to tender the resignation.
There is no setback to the Chief Minister. It is a big conspiracy on all our leaders, including me, which we have faced earlier. Didn't I come clean?
So what's
we respect the legality of this country. Injustice will not be flown from the seat of justice, I've said.
Let's go across to my colleague Deepak joining us on the broadcast with the details. Deepak, yesterday after the verdict came out, top leaders of the Congress party met the Chief Minister as well. What is the decision that has been made? Has anything been decided on how the government will take it up legally?
Well, Pratibha, the latest information that I'm gathering from top sources here is that the Chief Minister's office has a twofold strategy at this point in time. A team from the Chief Minister's office, including some, legal teams as well, have gone to Delhi. They are consulting Kapil Sibal, Abhishek Manu Singhvi there about whether they should actually knock the doors of the Supreme Court first. Meanwhile, a draft writ petition, a writ appeal, in fact, has already been prepared. Some changes are being made to that, and they will decide on whether to actually knock the doors.
Right. Well, Deepak,